Hello, I'm Magda from I'm a Little Creature. In this video I'd like to show you KnitCrate Knit and Crochet Club Conservatory theme. It's for April 2022. My crate was a bit delayed. You see it's in package, not in this green box. Retreat from a chilly spring morning into the humid warmth of the greenhouse lush with plants. Conservatory, mood board. On the other page, here is a link to pattern download and double down code. I cannot show you. You see these yarns. I've opened this package already because I'd like to print the booklet. Beautiful cover. You see this leaves motif. Table of contents. Digital patterns available. There is a link to these patterns below. Theme and inspiration. Retreat from the cold into the humidity of an overgrown conservatory. Tiled floors line your steps as you explore, lifting heavy foliage to discover the wonders of nature left to her own devices. This month yarns Knit and Crochet Club Knitology Wisp. Let's look at the yarn. You see now these colors. I've got the green one and dark green nature color. 100% merino wool, decay weight. Read the label. Here is the single thread. You see it's twisted with a two, I think. I like the color. What could I make with that? I will see in a moment. Here is Sock Club. Interesting colors. And patterns. We have a knit Longwood Garden Tote by Vanessa Ewing. I must say it's nice to see the bag in KnitCrate here. And the Crochet Santa Scarf by Sarah Korth. I think that I'll try to make this because I see it's a felted bag. I've never made the bag like that. And Sock Club Knit and Crochet. And here's the pattern. If you're interested, I recommend you to visit KnitCrate blog. Here is a Conservatory April 2022 reveal. A link to the video on YouTube. Mood board, yarns. Energize Me, you see. Energize Me clay pot, Chill Out Rainfall, and All Natural Conservatory. I've got this one, 2 skins, fabric swatches, and an extra. An extra is really great. Let's look at this. You see Enjoy a quiet moment of journaling in the garden with this wood grain notebook decorated with adorable leaves on the front and a ribbon bookmark. Beautiful. I like it very, very much. These wood motifs. Great to have the notebook. I'll use it. You see these lines. Great. Thank you very much, KnitCrate, for sending me this package. As for the patterns, knit pattern inspired by the botanical garden. A longwood garden tote is a bubble-shaped felted bag with plenty of room for your current work in progress. Leaf ties and twisted handle evoke the calm of a walk in nature. I don't know how to make this felt effect. I need to read more about it. You have details of the patterns and crochet pattern I showed you in this booklet. But you have also here a quarterly retreat club and yarn like that. So I recommend you to visit KnitCrate blog and KnitCrate website. And if you would like to try KnitCrate Knit and Crochet Club for the first time, I have a discount for you. Just click my link in video description and use the code AMILC20 and you will get 20% off your first crate. Let's look at the May theme pick May 2022 watercolor. Beautiful. I love watercolor. And on YouTube there is a early preview and there is a reveal that you may watch on YouTube, so I recommend you to visit YouTube channel. I showed you this package that is delayed, so sorry for that, but the shipping takes more time to Poland. Write in comment what have you done with these yarns. Do you use patterns in this booklet or you make something on your own? So it would be nice to read. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing, and I recommend you to watch my other videos. I see you in next videos. Bye.